Welcome to Slovenia. Welcome to Ptuj.
Willkommen in Slovenien, willkommen in Ptuj.
Merhaba Sloveniya'dan.
Merhaba Ptuj'dan.
Slovenia lies at the heart of Europe, where the Alps face the Pannonian Plains and the Mediterranean meets the mysterious karst. It borders to Austria to the north, Hungary to the east, Croatia to the south, and Italy to the west. A small country, shaped like a chicken, is inhabited by merely 2 million people. Although Slovenia is a small country, there is an exceptionally wide variety of habitats. In the north, there are the Alps with Triglav, a three-headed mountain, which is with its 2,864 meters not only the highest mountain in Slovenia, but also the symbol of Slovenians depicted in the national coat of arms. The northwestern Slovenia is the home of beautiful places such as Bohinj and Bled, known for their fabulous lakes. Much of southwestern Slovenia is characterized by the karst region, which is famous for its caves. Among those, one can find Vilenica, the oldest show cave in the world, Škocjan Caves, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and Postojna Cave, probably the most popular cave by tourists. Postojna Cave is famous for the olm or proteus, a blind amphibian endemic to the caves of the Dinaric karst. Even though the Primorska region is quite small, it is home to such beautiful places as Koper, Piran, and Portorož. The capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana, is located in the center of the country and is a mid-sized city with approximately 280,000 inhabitants. Throughout history, it has been influenced by Germanic, Latin, and Slavic cultures, and today it proudly shows its Baroque and Art Nouveau influence and the work of native-born architect Jože Plečnik. As we move to the east, the high mountains slowly turn into the Pannonian Plain. Maribor, the second largest city in Slovenia, is the center of Lower Styria. Following the Drava River for some 20 kilometers to the south, one comes to the oldest town in Slovenia and our hometown, Ptuj. With approximately 23,000 inhabitants, Ptuj is quite a small town, but it has a rich history. The town was first mentioned in the year 69 AD. The townscape of Ptuj is in the form of a triangle. The top of the triangle is a magnificent castle built in the mid-12th century. The other two parts are the Dominican monastery and the Minorite monastery, both from the 13th century. The cultural heritage of the town is presented by monuments and buildings throughout the town. The town hall is the most prominent building in town square. The new town hall, where the administration of the town municipality of Ptuj is still based, dominates the entire square with its dynamic architecture. Just in front of the town hall and in the middle of the town square, one can find the statue Saint Florian. Due to the constant threat of fires, and after the town had been seriously damaged by them, the inhabitants of Ptuj turned for help to Saint Florian and erected a monument to him in 1745. The town's tower, situated next to the Minorite monastery, is the most imposing town edifice, which strongly marks the townscape. Today it houses a tourist information center. Next to the town's tower, there's the town's theater from the 18th century. The original facade of the building, which was destroyed by the Germans in the World War II, was restored a few years ago. The Orpheus monument in the Slovenian square in front of the town's tower and the theater is almost 5 meters high and is the biggest monument of its kind unearthed in the Roman province of the Upper Pannonia. As we move along Slovenian Square, we come to Prešernova Street, named after the greatest Slovenian poet, France Prešeren, also the author of Slovenian national anthem, The Toast. 31 Prešernova Street is the home of our school, primary school Olge Meglič, or as we call it, Olgice, which is celebrating its 30th anniversary in school year 2009-2010. Even though with its 328 pupils, our school is quite small, it gives a vital character to the old town center. Our school offers a wide range of other activities, such as swimming and cycling courses, winter and summer open-air schools, and optional subjects of foreign languages and IT. Our teachers often organize school workshops in the afternoon where pupils and their parents can have fun in trying out different crafts. Our pupils are very successful in different competitions on national level in various subjects such as Slovenian, maths, German, English, chemistry, and sports. The essence of our school is best represented by our school anthem.
Sredi mesta šola stoji, se učencev vedoželjnih veseli, vsak v Ptuju jo pozna. Pravimo ji Olgica. Sredi mesta šola stoji, ki le z nami učenci polno zaživi. Vsem v njej nam je lepo, vsi na njo ponosni smo.
Olgica je naša šola, Olgica je moja šola, vsi prijatelji smo v njej. Znanje naša je odlika, športniki smo, da se šipa, polni novih svojih idej. Olgica je naša šola, Olgica je moja šola, Olgica je moj ponos. Če uspešno se učimo, se življenja ne bojimo, vsem težavam bomo kos.
Sredi mesta šola stoji, ki le z nami učenci polno zaživi. Vsem v